Hey everybody, this is Will Moss with HBCUconnect.com with another great opportunity, and this time we've got an internship with Major League Soccer. That's right, that's the Major League Soccer organization in the United States. This internship is pretty special, that's why I wanted to make a video about it and get the word out. And hopefully, if this internship might be a good match for you, you can apply for that internship. Now, first of all, the internship will be located in Major League Soccer's New York office. The internship starts on June 4th of 2018. That's this year, and it will end on August 17th of 2018. And the internship will be Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week, so you're going to gain some excellent experience working for Major League Soccer. So some of the things that you'll want to have, some of the experience that you'll want to have is superior organizational project management skills and attention to detail. You should have a high level of commitment to quality work, product, and organizational ethics, integrity, and compliance. Ability to work effectively in a fast-paced team environment, so you should be able to work well with others and have strong interpersonal skills, strong written and verbal communication skills, and basically be a good student and a good intern. Okay, so some of the qualifications for this internship are as follows. You should be an undergraduate rising senior. So if you're getting this message and you're in your junior year, then that's perfect. You're going into your senior year after the summer. This is a perfect internship for you, because what will happen is, I'm sure after this internship is over, they will evaluate you for a job opportunity after you graduate from college. Okay, or if you are a student currently enrolled in a postgraduate program, you can definitely also apply for this internship program. You should be eligible to work in the United States. You should be proficient in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook email. And also you should be able to travel and work non-traditional hours, including evenings, weekends, and holidays, because as you might imagine, this is Major League Soccer and they throw lots of events, and actually might have some games as well that you might be able to attend, participate in, and help out. And if you are bilingual, like English and Spanish, that is a plus, or Portuguese, I'm sure, that would also be a plus. So if you're interested in an internship with Major League Soccer, make sure to apply going through HBCUconnect.com in our jobs area. The link to that job for this internship is actually in the description for this video. So hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to learn about more opportunities like this, please subscribe to HBCUconnect.com by going to HBCUconnect.com/sign up. All right, this is Will Moss, HBCUconnect.com. Get connected.